My dear students, exercise 6.3. This is question number 6. This question is from NCERT book for class 9. Here you see, question is given the side QR of triangle PQR is produced to a point S. If bisector of PQR and PRS meet at T, then prove that QTR, angle QTR is half of QPR. First of all, we will draw the diagram, and from the diagram many things will be clear. First of all, we are going to draw triangle PQR. Triangle PQR. Which side is going to be produced? Side QR is produced. To which point? S. Now, which angles bisector you are drawing? If bisectors of angle PQR, where is PQR? Its bisector. Bisector is what? Which can divide the angle in two equal parts. Means this angle is equal to this angle. Here. And bisector of angle PRS. This angle's bisector, you see. These two bisectors meet at T. Clear? Triangle PQR. The side QR is produced to S. Now what happens? The bisector of angle PQR means this angle bisector, and bisector of angle PRS, this angle bisector. These two bisectors on producing meet together at T. So given we are writing here, I told earlier also, in geometry, something you have to prove. So first of all, you draw the diagram. After diagram, you write given. If ABC, PQR, etc. are given, then you write given. Otherwise, you have to write let. After that, to prove. What is to do? That is called what? To prove. And in the last, then you have to write construction also. But construction is not needed always. When you have some modification you are doing in the figure, that is called construction. I don't think that construction is required here in this question. And in the last you are writing proof, and when the proof is finished, you write hence proof. So given, what are the things given? PQR is a triangle. QT and RT are bisectors of what? Bisectors of angle PQR and angle PRS respectively. To prove, what is to prove? This angle is half of this angle. To prove. Angle QTR, this angle is half of angle PRS. My dear students, now we are going to put it. You see the spelling. To prove, PROVE we are writing. And prove. Here we are writing PROOF. This is verb, this is noun. Here you see, since QT is bisector of angle, which angle? PQR. PQR. Therefore, what will happen? Do you understand? This angle will be half of whole angle. This angle. Therefore, angle TQR. Hey, TQR means what? This angle. TQR is half of angle PQR. This is equation 1. Right here. Again, RT is bisector of angle PRS. Therefore, what you can write? This angle will be half of this angle. Angle TRS is equal to half of whole angle PRS. This is equation number 2. My dear students, there is no space. I am going to rub the question. Here you see 4 triangle PQR. PQR. Which one is exterior angle? PQR. This is exterior angle. So you can write angle PRS is equal to angle QPR plus angle PQR. Means this angle will be equal to this angle plus this angle. Angle PQR. Exterior angle theorem. Exterior angle theorem. Multiply by half both sides. Multiply. In the equation it is, if you are going to multiply one side, you have to multiply the another side also by the same quantity. So we are multiplying by half. Both sides. Dear friends, then what will happen? You understand? Half of angle PRS, half of angle QPR, half of PQR. Now you tell one thing. Half of PRS, what is that? Half of PRS. Is there somewhere given? Half of PRS, listen from you. Half of PRS is equal to, you are getting TRS. So I am writing here TRS. Have you seen or not? Half of PRS, that equal to TRS. Again, half of QPR. QPR, no, it is not given, so you will have to write half QPR. And half of PQR, somewhere is given. Half of PQR is equal to PQR. I am writing here PQR. This is equation number 3. Equation 3. One thing is there. Teacher may ask, from where you have changed here, so you can write from, this is equation number 3. I have given the name, but the change has come from where? From equation 1 and 2. Finish. Now one more thing. four triangles, similarly four triangle TQR. Four triangle TQR. You may write like that. Angle TRS is equal to angle QTR plus angle TQR. Why this so? This is equation number 4. From where it has come? Exterior angle theorem. Exterior angle theorem. My dear student, you see, compare equation 3 and equation 4. Here also left hand side TRS. Here also you are getting TRS. In both the equation, left hands are equal. Therefore, we have to make right hands also equal. I may write here, there is no space, or figure I am going to draw. Otherwise, I will not get the space. From equation 3 and 4, we get QTR. Here you see TRS is equal to this one, TRS is equal to this one, so this is equal to this. Angle QTR plus angle TQR is equal to half angle QPR plus angle TQR. TQR cancel. Equal quantity, both sides will be cancelled. So you are getting QTR is equal to half of QPR. Close. Today I tell the chapter 6 is finished. I wanted to do some more questions, but time is very limited. Time is very short. I cannot do all the questions. So rest of the questions I am giving you homework. You must do, and you show me also. You can send on the WhatsApp. But I think you have examination, so you prepare. The chapters, whatever I have taught, from their questions are coming. Linear equation, some of the students told me that linear equation I have not done in the class, so later on we will do. Don't worry, whatever I am giving you, to go and revise it nicely. You don't think that I am away from you, I am always with you. And when I am giving some video on YouTube, it is for your benefit, that once you don't understand, you revise twice, thrice, you see the video, it will be clear. As I am doing the class, anything in the classroom, whatever I am explaining there, similarly I explain here. So nothing is to worry, you must get good marks, and I want your success.